This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bridget Hicks. Light, bright and open, this 3-halves unit offers a split floor plan for plenty of privacy with a remodeled master closet. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, Silestone countertops, and 42 wood cabinets for plenty of storage. All 3 bedrooms have new flooring and the bathrooms have been updated. Relax after work with a good book on your screened-in balcony. Spend some time working out in the state-of-the-art fitness center or set up a volleyball game and then enjoy a swim in the resort-style pool. This beautiful community is just minutes from the attractions, major highways and conveniently located across from shopping. Don't miss out on a great opportunity to own a piece of Florida paradise. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.